Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by isolating the problem. Force close the music app and reproduce the error once to capture exact behavior. While you do that, make sure the device has sufficient storage and the OS is updated. Low space causes caching failures. Once done, back up app settings or enable cloud sync so you can restore playlists if needed. You act now to preserve data and collect context. This prevents accidental loss and gives you a clear starting point for deeper fixes. You now run the main diagnostics. Clear the app cache, and if problems persist, clear app data so corrupted configs reset. After that, reinstall the app using a stable Wi-Fi connection to avoid partial installs and grant required permissions for storage and network access. Once reinstalled, sign in and test both streamed and offline tracks. This separates account issues from playback faults. If playback fails, check the service status and retry with a downloaded song. You finish by restoring your backup and reauthorizing any linked devices, then test full playback from start to finish so you confirm the fix. Make sure audio enhancements or EQ are off to rule out processing artifacts. If distortion stops, tweak settings slowly. If problems persist, collect app logs and error details, and try signing in with another account or device to isolate account versus app versus device failures. If that narrows it down, contact support with logs. Otherwise, repeat diagnostics with fresh install.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.